Welcome back to Easy Chemistry by Vennela. This is the part 2 video previous year questions. The part 1 video is already available in our channel. Check it once. Also available in end cards. So let's start. Our first question is point group of naphthalene C10H8 is. First of all, this is planar molecule. Naphthalene, this is structure. It has C2 axis. So if symmetry is there, unsymmetry, C infinite to V. So this is main trick. When symmetry, unsymmetry, it is symmetric molecule. So it is D infinite to H. So here C2 axis. So D2H. Our answer is B. Next question. The incorrect statement is the 0-point energy of quantum mechanical harmonic oscillator of frequency is h nu by 2. It is correct because E is equal to h nu by 2. Already well known. Energy level of quantum mechanical rigid rotor is inversely proportional to its moment of inertia. It is E is equal to J into J plus 1 h cut square by 2I. Here E is inversely proportional to I. It is also correct statement. The time independent Schrodinger equation for Li plus 2 cannot be solved. This is wrong because Schrodinger equation exactly solve hydrogen like any system. Here Li plus 3. Li plus 2 has lose 2 electrons, leaving with 1 electron because it is 1 electron system. So it is wrong statement. Next, total angular momentum of an atomic system is equal to sum of orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum. Here J is equal to L plus S. This is also correct statement. Our question is, what is incorrect statement? Here option C. For an ideal gas, the molecular partition function in the canonical ensemble, that is proportional to system volume V is. This is direct question. So here option D, translational partition function. Next question. Assertion. The total angular momentum for light atom low atomic number is obtained by Russell-Sanders coupling, whereas JJ coupling used for heavy atoms. Here reason is the spin orbit interactions are weak in light atoms, strong in heavy atoms. So it is the correct statement. Here reason is correct explanation to assertion. So correct option is A. Next question. The acetylasis product of the given reaction is. It is trio 3-phenyl 2-butyl tosylate. Here tosylate is excellent leaving group. So our answer is both in above the plane and both in below the plane. Here phenonium ion is the intermediate. So correct answer is option A and C. Next question. The product formed in the given reaction are, it is methyl alpha D glucopyranoside. It can mainly form epoxides. Here this is very easy because see option 4. These are all epoxide. Here epoxide is present. Here is present. Here is present. Here no epoxide. The main is it can form only epoxides. So option A, option B and option C. These are all correct. Here methoxide deprotonate, the adjacent hydroxyl group OH at C3 alkoxide O minus. Here and here because tosylate is leaving group, so it can form epoxide like this, after like this, after this. So these are all correct answers. It forms trans diaxial 2,3 anhydro rings. It can form like anhydro rings. Next question. The choice that correctly identity isotopes P radioisotopes PQRS shown in the following nuclear reaction is. This is the reaction. You can find PQRS, which is the correct. So here nickel 6028, alpha 4 2. Here P form 60 plus 4 is equal to 64. 28 plus 2 30. 64 30. What is the atomic number? 30 is nickel is equal to P. So this is correct. Here it is A and it is Z. A is equal to sum of mass number. Z is equal to sum of atomic number. Next. Here nickel 64 and 30. Next is N plus Q. Here N is neutron, N 1 and 0. Here 64 minus 1 is equal to 63. Here 30 minus 0 is equal to 30. 30 means nickel. So B is also right. Next, nickel 64 and here 30. 2N plus R. Here 64 minus 2 neutrons is equal to 62. Next, 30 minus 0, that is equal to 30. 30 means nickel. But here 62 is okay. But 29 is copper. But here our answer is this one. So this is wrong. Next. Nickel 64. Here 30. Proton plus neutron plus S. Proton means 1. Neutron 1 0. So 64 minus 1 proton 1 neutron. That is equal to 62. Here 30 minus 1 proton, that is equal to 29. 29 is copper. So this is correct. So here correct options are A, B and D. Next question. For the Lindman-Hisselwood mechanism of gas-phase nuclear reaction, the true statements are only molecule with 3 or more atoms can follow the Lindman's mechanism. Is this correct statement or not? Correct only. Next, Lindman mechanism involves bimolecular steps. Yes, absolutely it can follow bimolecular. The overall reaction of second order is at low pressure. Yes, because if A is small, next, the overall reaction second order is high pressure. Already well known. It is only low pressure, not high pressure. This is wrong statement. Correct statements are, these three are correct. So our next question is, the calculated magnetic momentum of CeNO3 taken 5 times minus 2 is dash bm rounded off the 2 decimal places. So here first of all you have to know the oxidation number of cesium. Here how to find out oxidation number? Cesium is taken as X minus 5. Here 5 is equal to minus 2. So X is equal to plus 3. This is the cesium oxidation number. So next one, NO3 minus. It have only F1 electronic configuration. For F, only one electron in this configuration. So here S is equal to 1 by 2, L is equal to 3. L is equal to 3, S is equal to 1 by 2. This means J is equal to L minus S, that is 3 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. So you can find next G value. 1 plus J into J plus 1 plus S into S plus 1 minus L into L plus 1. Here 2J J plus 1. This is the formula for you can find G value. Here 1 plus, what is the J value? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 plus 1 plus S value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1. Next minus L is 3. So 3 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 plus 1. So next one, 1 plus 5 by 2. Here 7 by 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 5. So 7 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 12 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 7 by 2. So next here 1 plus 35 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 12 by 2 into 35 by 4. Next 1 plus 38 by 4 minus 48 by 4. 12 we can write like this 12. Next, here 1 plus 10 by 4. 48 minus 38 is equal to minus 10. 4 is common. By 35 by 2. Here 2 2s, 2 5s. 2 2 cancel. 5 1s, 5 7s. 1 minus 1 by 7. So 6 by 7. So the approximate value is 2.51. This is the answer. Answer is between 2.51 to 2.55. This is the final answer. Between these two. So our next question is, a compound C15H16O2 has the following spectral data. Here H1 NMR, C13 NMR. You can find the structure of the compound. So here H NMR, here 9.16. You have to know it is phenolic OH. Next 6.89, 6.64. These two are doublet of doublet. Here C13 HNMR, it is also OH group. Here, how can we find this formula is suitable for these options? Here C15 H16 O2. Our formula is double bond equivalent, that is equal to C plus 1 minus H by 2 minus X by 2 plus N by 2. You can negligible this because here no nitrogen. So here how many carbons are there? 15 plus 1 minus 16 by 2. 2 ones, 2 eights. So here 16 minus 8, that means 8. That means 2 benzene rings will present. So next one here. Here you can see all are 2 benzene rings. But 9.16 means phenolic group is present. So here phenols. Next, these are all aromatic. These are aromatic. This doublet of doublet is para substituted orthocoupling. So for this data is suitable for only suitable for this option A, because here two hydroxy groups is present. Next, orthocoupling is present. So this is the correct option. So our next question is, the major product formed in the given reaction sequence is. So this is the question. Here you can write like this. N minus, here K plus, double bond O. Here it can react with phenol double bond O, bromine. It will attack here. After this, Here back-to-back resonance is there. Nitrogen, double bond O, negative charge. This bond migrates here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 1 and 6 will attach. Nitrogen. Here back-to-back resonance is there. It will attach here. Here hydrogen. This bond migrates here. And this negative also attach. So finally, what is the product? This is the final product. Here double bond. Here also double bond. So this is the correct option. Next question. E and F in the given reaction scheme are. Here you have to find E and F. So here this bond is weak bond. So break here. Here bond. Here oxygen. This bond break. One bond will form carbon nitrogen bond and another can form double bond. Next, here bond is already present. Here nitrogen carbon bond is there. Here already one bond is present. Phenyl. So this bond, first product of E. Here you can check which one is the correct for E. Here this is correct. This is also correct, but not these two. So next step is here this bond migrates here. So here bond is present. So next nitrogen triple bond phenyl is present because here lone pair will formation of bond for nitrogen. So here oxygen this will form bond. This bond migrates here. Here oxygen and this bond like this. So what is the correct option here? Check these two. Here oxygen is there. Our answer also here oxygen is there. So our correct option is A. This is the correct option. So here, if you find this type of questions, you can easily answer CH2I2 zinc copper. So here epoxides will form. Osmium tetroxide and NMO you can find. Here the product like this. Plus OH. It is the major. It is minor. So see here options. So here these all are from epoxides. But here we choose major only. This is the major. These are all above the plane. These two is below the plane. So option C is the correct. Here also same. We can choose only major. So in this it is the major product. See how very simple this question. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Easy Chemistry by Vennela. Thanks for watching.